Hey guys, today I'd like to show you how to use SPL PQ Mastering Equalizer. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. We're going to use this on the master bus and we're going to use it in mid-side mode. On the mids, we are going to push our lowest frequency just half a dB, and we're going to set our frequency band to 71 Hertz, and we'll adjust that to a narrow Q. We're going to take down our mids half a dB, and we'll set our frequency to 545. We're going to use a wide Q on this one. For our sides, we are going to push half a dB on the mids, half a dB on the highs, use a wide Q on both bands. At the stereo width, we're going to set that to around 118, and we're ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.